Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Our Education, and today I am going to tell you an interesting fact about Mumbai. As we know, traffic signals are both innocuous and extreme significance. And while we are accustomed to seeing a seemingly male figure within the signal lights signifying whether we should be crossing the road, Mumbai officials are now working to change that. Maharashtra Environment and Tourism Minister Aditya Thackeray on Saturday took to Twitter lauding the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation and more specifically Ward GN of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai for its efforts to make the city more gender equal. He tweeted, "If you have passed by Dadar, you had seen something that will make you feel proud. At the rate of my BMC Ward GN is ensuring gender equality with a simple idea. The signals now have women too." This is not the first time the city has changed its often seen symbols to keep up with the times. Earlier, the city's all-important railway had embraced the modern woman outlook with the picture of a woman with a sari pallu draped over her head being replaced with a woman in a business suit on some compartments. We are still a long way from ensuring gender equality, especially on Indian roads. An overwhelming number of drivers on our roads are men, and that is the case with pedestrians as well. For all this year, pedestrian signals and boards too have only displayed men. This change is said to get a huge thumbs up from pedestrians and road users in Mumbai. While it could also be an aberration for some who are not used to witnessing a sight like this. Nevertheless, a step like this is surely going to make public spaces more inclusive for women. Also, Germany and Australia have followed a similar practice in some cities. This is surely going to make public spaces more inclusive for women. It is unclear if the idea will be repeated at other places in Mumbai. Also, it is still unclear if this theme will be repeated at some other places in the maximum city. The brain behind the idea is said to be Kiran Digwakar, who is an assistant commissioner in the BMC. He is also credited for stopping the spread of deadly coronavirus in Dharavi, Asia's largest slum that is located not too far from this traffic signal. His efforts in containing the virus also earned praise from the World Health Organization. To know more interesting facts like this, subscribe to our channel, Our Education, and like and share the video.